Let's build this NBA-inspired typography layout step by step using only Canva tools. Open a project in Canva and then go to Text. I will tap here the name of the player, which is James. And I will change to a tall font named Calcio. I will increase the size like this and place in the center. I'll place it here and then duplicate, and I will place it here and then go to element and choose shape. I will choose a square, change the color to the same color as the background, which is white, and then I will remove the corner rounding and I will increase the width and also the height. Now duplicate the rectangle, change the color to the same color as the text, which is black, and then let's crop the rectangle. Alright, now duplicate and place to the other letter. Alright, now let's download it as PNG. Download. You can remove all these elements, but I prefer to add a new page. I will change the page color to yellow. And then I will upload the PNG of the text here. And then I will remove all the white color using BG remover. Alright, now we have it. And then I will use the color of the Lakers. I will change the James to purple, dual tone, and choose this violet, or you can make manually by changing the highlight on the custom like this, and change also the shadow to the same color as the highlight. Alright, now let's add the number. I type here 6 and then change the font to a sport font like Yearbook Solid. Increase the size. Place in the center and then add effects. Choose outline and then change the color of the outline to the same color as the text. Use the eyedropper and click here and then change the font color with the same color, which is yellow. It's some colors the background. I will increase the size of the number and place here, and then add the photo of James, a photo with transparent background like this. And now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video and share the link to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.